Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this Amana HVAC system that I have in my hotel room. And as you can see, it doesn't take up a lot of space on the wall. You can see it's pretty slim and it looks quite nice, so I like that. It kind of matches the color of the wall too, so yeah, I like that. It kind of goes with the room nicely. And so let's just get right to the details. So first off, as you may notice, unlike a lot of these units, this one actually does not have a cover over the controls. All the controls are just exposed. So you have three main settings: off, cooling, and heating. And this shows the temperature. It's currently set to 74 degrees, and this changes the temperature up or down. And you have three fan speeds: high, low, and auto. Excuse me. And if you look in here, you can see the filter right here. You can see it's attached with these hooks. I mean, I guess I could take it out if I really wanted to, but it's kind of pointless. There's a bunch of information here and here. Let's see if we can get a BTU rating. Looks like the maximum BTU rating I've seen right there is 9100. So yeah. Go ahead and close this up. It's kind of a pain in the butt to do. And you can see it's attached to this metal part, which leads to an outside part that you can't see from here. And here's the view from the 4th floor of the La Quinta Inn and Suites in Manchester, New Hampshire. You can see Ultimate Bath across the street there, and the... why'd I say isn't? And the Sunoco station over there. And down there is the lobby. And, yeah, and what's interesting about this unit is that I've actually never seen this before. You can control it from here, but you also have the option to control it from this thermostat right here. They're actually interconnected. So like if you change something from here, it will show up on the controls on the unit itself, and if you change something from here, it will show up on the thermostat. So that's pretty convenient. And, yeah. But the one problem with that is that sometimes it has a bit of lag. So, like, sometimes you kind of have to play around with it. But, yeah. And if I get my phone, I stick the flashlight inside the vent, you can see the fan right there. It is a vertical fan this time. The vertical fans tend to be a lot louder than the horizontal ones for some reason. I don't know why. They just are. So yeah, as a result, this thing can be a bit loud. Sorry, I have to keep clearing my throat. It's just my allergies have been driving me crazy. Sorry about this, guys. Anyway, let's go ahead and turn it on now, and we'll start with low. I'm only going to be demonstrating cool today because it's summertime. So yeah, I guess it's not that loud. Pulls a pretty good amount of air. You see the fan inside there. You can actually kind of see it without the flashlight. Jeez, my throat. And for once, this thing actually isn't mounted poorly, so that's nice. And if you look underneath, you can see it's being held up by this bar right here. So yeah, that makes it nice and secure. You can see it's got a little handle in it. I'm guessing that's for technicians. So yeah. And I don't know if I mentioned this yet, but it has this metal part leading to an outside part that you can't see from here. And yeah. Now we can go over to the thermostat. And as you can see, it lagged. Of course. There. Sometimes you have to kind of play with it. But you can see it does say low and 74 degrees, and the SP means set point. And yes, it does have an interglow. And it has a little motion sensor there for some reason. And here, let me demonstrate the interconnection between this and the unit. So I'll go ahead and set it to 73 just for a second here. Now if we go over to the unit, You can see the unit says 73. Now I can set it back to 74. Go back over to the thermostat. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, I can see there is a bit of lag time between the two, but it's good enough. And by the way, on the thermostat, the constant fan function, as you can see, is disabled. It just turns on the indigo. It doesn't do anything. And you can see it's got some vents up here. I'm guessing it's to prevent the thermostat from getting too hot. So, there you go. And, yeah, so overall, I like this unit a lot. And the reason why the compressor's not coming on is because I have it set on 74, and the room temperature is cooler. If the room temperature goes above 74, it will trigger the compressor. So, yeah. And now I'll go ahead and turn it on high. I'll do it from the thermostat. Please excuse the loud motorcycles. Try it again. There we go. Yeah, kind of finicky. You can hear it's a lot louder now. And it blows a lot more air. And you can see there's a stain right here, so that's kind of unfortunate. And I don't know why, but there's an extra light down there. I have no idea what that's for. Whatever it is, it's not being used. So yeah, you can see the fan in there is spinning a little bit faster. And yeah, if I go to the entrance of the room, you can hear it is kind of loud, but it's not too bad. And let's go ahead and turn it off now. Takes a second. And there it goes. And we'll go ahead and walk over to the thermostat just to see. And as you can see, the thermostat shows off. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this Amana HVAC unit in my hotel room. And thanks for watching. Peace out.